on YouTube. This is your boy Hacker7. So if you're using the latest version of Android device, have you ever wanted to share an APK file from your phone to another phone and you have no way of doing that? Well, in this video I'm going to show you an easy application which you can use to basically share your APK files through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, well, Bluetooth, WhatsApp, email, however you want to share it. You could even save this to your file manager for later usage. So the application which we'll be using is APK Extractor. It is a green icon. I'll leave the download link in the description for you guys to give this application a try. So let's give it a launch and see what it has to offer. So it is basically loading the application. It will load system applications and basically third-party applications, apps that we installed on the device ourselves, and it also shows you the package name of each application. So this is useful if basically you need to see the package name for an application. So now how to share an application. So let's say we wanted to share the AZ screen recorder from our device to somebody else's device. So what we could do is click the three dots beside the application which we want to share, and then we have the option of sharing or seeing the info for the app. So once you click on info, it will bring you back to the app info, which will basically allow you to see the storage, clear cache, clear data, and all of that. So that is not what we want. We want to share the application. Well, it's loading an ad. Let's give it some time to load the ad. Now this is not an application filled with ads, but it has quite a few. So let's click on the three dots and let's click on share. Now once you've clicked on share, you have the option to send it through to WhatsApp, Gmail, save it to your storage, your local storage, and all of that. So that is how you simply use this application to share any APK on your phone. And as I've said, any APK, I mean any APK. So basically any app that is installed on your device, this will allow you to share them. And I have quite a lot of application installed on my phone, but that's not the case. So once again, I'll leave a link in the description to this application which you could use to share any APK from your phone. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you found this application useful, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Out.